uria wari muthuri wa Windrose Wangui na uria Windrose auburaga mahikanirie thikũ 59 magicoka magitigana nyarikitie kwiyumiria na kwaria na uru muingi muno agicokeria Windrose. And this is after her recent interview at Kameme FM kuria arakorirwo agitarĩria rugano rwake ha life story na agitaja oro wigi divorce ino yake na kiko giake kia mbere. Rugano akoretwo akiheana miaka mingi muno on so many occasions, on so many interviews. Windrose ndari akorwo akihitha ciĩgie kihiko giake na gutigana gwake na muthuri wake wa mbere. But this time round, and for the first time ever, her ex-husband nyarikitie kwiyumiria aihwirwo ni marakara na ena uru muingi muno na muno kiria gitumite arakare ni gukorwo ati Windrose is always talking about him hindi ciothe ndagagukorwo akiarĩrĩria kihiko giki kiao, na uria augite ni ati Windrose ati hindi ciothe akienda kumarket kindu ahuthagira rugano rũu rwa kihiko kiao. Undu wahanikire miaka 7 no atũraga awaragĩrĩria na oho agikimuria why can she talk about her current relationship kana her current marriage, niki hindi ciothe aragĩrĩria tu o kihiko giki kiao giaciarire miaka 7 mihituku, na ararĩkia na gukimwira ati she needs to move on na atigane nake, na agikimwira niokire muno riu. Comment na miario iracokire gutiga aingi megagaire. Wa mbere ni gukorwo makimumenya all along they never knew who Windrose Wangui's ex-husband is, kana no uyu mahikanitie thikũ 59 na magikorwo agutigana, na thutha wa gukorwo magikimumenya maragikorwo makiingira comment section ini na kuruta mawoni mao, amwe magiside nake magitikaniria ati yes, Windrose should not talk about her divorce anymore, no angi magikiuga it is part of her life story na koguo atina thina gukorwo akiheana rugano rwake kana her experience in marriage. Todo after all, she has never mentioned her ex-husband by name kana gukorwo akimutegura. Asha aheanaga tu orugano rwake. Ari mawoni matiganite kuma kuri mafans na a Kenya. No tukirora ndumiriri iria exact, this ex-husband wa Windrose arakorirwo akirekereria kana mukana kuri Windrose na response akiuga same story for 7 years. It could be better if you spoke about your current relationship. I find no reason to keep dragging me in your shameless stories. What if I decided to talk? Move on, get another story to spice up your marketing strategy. Every time you want to introduce a new project, you must mention the past and people who are no longer in your life. Move, and if you must talk about marriage, speak of the current one. Ama there is nothing interesting about it. Move on, madam, wachana na mimi. Niokire muno o nawe. Alikuwa arakorirwo agikira Windrose, na thutha ucio mafans aingi magikimwira no mende kuigua his side of the story. Alimu share comments kuma kuri mafans no angi magikimwira Asha, Windrose simply shares her life story atekugweta nginya rietu ria muthuri wake. Alikuwa kurahanire thutha wa comment na miario ino mihio muno ya uria wari muthuri wa Windrose Wangui for the first time agikiaria. Na ndugakiriganirwo gusubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.